Tangzu Waner 2 Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using low-quality earbuds that fall apart after just a few uses? Do you struggle to find earphones that provide good sound quality and are comfortable to wear for extended periods? But here's what surprised me about the Tangzu Waner 2. It's not just another affordable earbud option, it packs some serious punch with its advanced features and sleek design. Therefore, I was excited to put this product through its paces and see if it lives up to its claims. In this review, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on the Tangzu Waner 2 after using it for a week. Rehook, but will it blow me away with its performance or leave me underwhelmed? Let's take a closer look at what makes this earbud so special. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and lightweight design, perfect for gym enthusiasts or commuters on the go. It's also waterproof, making it a great option for athletes who enjoy swimming laps. Therefore, I was surprised to find that despite its affordable price point, the Tangzu Waner 2 delivers surprisingly good sound quality with clear highs and deep bass. But is this just marketing hype, or can you really expect top-notch audio performance from such an inexpensive earbud? I'll be digging deeper into the product's features and testing its limits to see if it truly stands out from other affordable options on the market. Stay tuned for my full review. Rehook, can the Tangzu Waner 2 really compete with more expensive brands, or is it just a budget-friendly compromise? Now that we've discussed the design and sound quality of this earbud, let's talk about its features. The Tangzu Waner 2 comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing for seamless pairing with your device. Therefore, you'll enjoy an uninterrupted listening experience without any lag or interference. But what really sets this product apart is its advanced noise cancellation technology, which helps to block out background noise and provide a more immersive listening experience. Rehook. But how does it perform in real-world conditions? Will it help me focus on my workout or fall short of expectations? I put the Tangzu Waner 2 through its paces by taking it for a spin during an intense workout. The earbuds performed admirably, delivering crystal-clear sound and staying firmly in place despite my vigorous movements. Therefore, I was impressed with the product's durability and ability to withstand sweat and moisture. However, there is one area where the Tangzu Waner 2 falls short: battery life. While it's not the shortest battery life I've ever seen, it still requires more frequent charging than some of its competitors. Rehook. Is this a deal-breaker, or can you live with less than stellar battery performance for such an affordable price? Now that we've discussed the product's features and performance, let's talk about my experience with customer support. Unfortunately, I encountered some issues with the product after a few weeks of use. Therefore, I reached out to the manufacturer to see how they would handle the problem. To my surprise, their response was prompt and helpful, offering a replacement unit and providing clear instructions on how to troubleshoot any future issues. However, it's worth noting that some reviewers have reported similar problems with customer support in the past. Rehook, will this affect your purchase decision? Should you be wary of potential issues with customer support? In conclusion, I'm impressed with the Tangzu Waner 2's performance and features, but its limitations are worth considering. While it may not be the perfect earbud on the market, its affordability and advanced noise cancellation technology make it a solid choice for those on a budget. Therefore, if you're looking for an affordable option that delivers good sound quality and is comfortable to wear, I would recommend giving the Tangzu Waner 2 a try. But don't just take my word for it, check out the reviews from other customers who have purchased this product. Are they experiencing similar results? Final thoughts. For those who are willing to overlook some minor drawbacks, the Tangzu Waner 2 is an excellent value proposition. It's clear that the manufacturer has put a lot of thought into designing a product that meets the needs of their target market. Therefore, I would give this product a solid 8 out of 10 stars for its overall performance and features. However, be aware that some users may experience issues with customer support, so it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.